Chronic inflammation is a persistent, low-grade response by the body's immune system that can quietly influence overall health. Unlike the acute inflammation that occurs when you're injured or fighting an infection, chronic inflammation often goes unnoticed, gradually affecting tissues and organs over time. This subtle process has been linked to a range of health concerns, including fatigue, joint discomfort, and even increased risk for serious conditions like heart disease and diabetes. Because its effects are not always immediately obvious, many people may not realize how much chronic inflammation shapes their daily well-being. Understanding this hidden influence is essential, especially when considering how everyday choices, like diet, can either contribute to or help reduce inflammation. By exploring the connection between what we eat and how our bodies respond, we can begin to see why nutrition plays a crucial role in managing inflammation and supporting long-term health. Inflammation is a natural defense mechanism that the body uses to protect itself from injury or infection. Acute inflammation occurs rapidly and is typically short-lived, helping to eliminate harmful agents and initiate healing. Signs of acute inflammation include redness, swelling, heat, and pain at the affected site. In contrast, chronic inflammation persists over a longer period, sometimes lasting months or even years. While the initial immune response is beneficial, prolonged inflammation can damage healthy tissues and contribute to various diseases, such as arthritis or heart disease. This shift from helpful to harmful highlights the importance of balance within the immune system. Understanding the distinction between acute and chronic inflammation is crucial for recognizing how the body's protective mechanisms can sometimes lead to unintended consequences. Chronic inflammation often presents with subtle symptoms, such as persistent fatigue, joint pain, digestive issues, and frequent infections. Unlike acute inflammation, which is a short-term response to injury or illness, chronic inflammation can linger for months or even years, quietly affecting the body's tissues. Over time, this ongoing inflammatory state can contribute to the development of serious health conditions. Research has established strong links between chronic inflammation and major diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's. These conditions may arise as inflammation damages blood vessels, disrupts metabolic processes, or impairs brain function. Recognizing and addressing chronic inflammation is crucial, as its long-term risks can significantly impact overall health and quality of life. Certain foods are known to contribute to inflammation within the body, often through their impact on metabolic and immune pathways. Added sugars and refined carbohydrates are among the most common dietary triggers. When consumed in excess, these ingredients can cause spikes in blood sugar, prompting the body to release inflammatory molecules. Over time, this chronic low-grade inflammation may increase the risk of conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. By understanding the role of these foods in activating inflammatory responses, individuals can make more informed choices to support their overall health. Reducing intake of added sugars and refined carbohydrates is a practical step toward minimizing inflammation and promoting long-term well-being. Processed and fried foods, along with unhealthy fats and refined vegetable oils, are common staples in many modern diets. These items often contain trans fats and high levels of omega-6 fatty acids, which have been linked to increased inflammation in the body. Frequent consumption of such foods can disrupt the natural balance of healthy fats, contributing to chronic inflammatory conditions. Refined vegetable oils, found in products like margarine and packaged snacks, are especially prevalent due to their low cost and long shelf life. Over time, diets rich in these ingredients may elevate the risk of health issues such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Understanding the impact of these foods is essential for making informed dietary choices that support overall well-being. Excessive alcohol consumption can significantly contribute to chronic inflammation within the body. Alcohol disrupts the normal function of the immune system, leading to an increased production of inflammatory molecules. Additionally, the balance between omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids plays a crucial role in regulating inflammation. Diets high in omega-6 fatty acids, often found in processed foods and certain vegetable oils, can promote inflammatory responses when not balanced by sufficient omega-3 intake. Omega-3 fatty acids, commonly sourced from fish and flaxseed, help counteract inflammation. When this delicate ratio is skewed, the body becomes more susceptible to persistent inflammatory conditions. Over time, these factors may increase the risk of developing chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Anti-inflammatory foods play a crucial role in supporting overall health and reducing chronic inflammation in the body. These foods are typically rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and healthy fats, which help combat oxidative stress and promote healing. Whole nutrient-dense options such as leafy greens, berries, fatty fish, nuts, and seeds are especially effective in lowering inflammation levels. By choosing these foods over highly processed alternatives, individuals can support their immune system and decrease the risk of developing inflammatory conditions. Incorporating a variety of anti-inflammatory foods into daily meals not only benefits physical health, but also contributes to improved energy and well-being. Fruits and vegetables play a crucial role in supporting overall health, particularly when it comes to fighting inflammation. Many varieties are packed with antioxidants and polyphenols, natural compounds that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. These substances can reduce oxidative stress, which is closely linked to chronic inflammation and a range of health issues. Berries, leafy greens, and brightly colored produce are especially rich in these protective nutrients. By incorporating a diverse selection of fruits and vegetables into your diet, you can harness their anti-inflammatory benefits and promote long-term wellness. Regular consumption not only helps manage inflammation, but also supports immune function and cellular health. Healthy fats play a crucial role in supporting the body's anti-inflammatory processes. Sources like extra virgin olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which have been shown to help reduce inflammation. These fats contribute to the production of beneficial compounds that protect cells from damage and support overall health. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help balance inflammatory responses and may lower the risk of chronic diseases. Unlike saturated and trans fats, healthy fats promote heart health and can improve cholesterol levels. By choosing these nutrient-dense options, you provide your body with essential fatty acids that are vital for optimal function. Omega-3 fatty acids, which are abundantly found in fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, play a crucial role in supporting overall health. Scientific research has shown that these essential fats have a direct impact on reducing inflammatory markers within the body. By incorporating omega-3 rich foods into the diet, individuals may experience lower levels of substances like C-reactive protein and interleukin-6, both of which are associated with inflammation. This reduction in inflammation is particularly important, as chronic inflammation is linked to a variety of health conditions, including heart disease and arthritis. The anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3s make them a valuable component of a balanced diet, contributing to improved long-term wellness. Dietary fiber, found abundantly in whole grains and legumes, plays a crucial role in maintaining gut health. When consumed, fiber acts as food for beneficial gut bacteria, supporting a balanced microbiome. This process leads to the production of short-chain fatty acids, which help strengthen the gut lining and reduce inflammation throughout the body. Studies have shown that people who regularly eat fiber-rich foods tend to have lower levels of chronic inflammation. By promoting digestive regularity and supporting immune function, fiber from whole grains and legumes contributes significantly to overall well-being. Incorporating these foods into daily meals can be a simple yet effective way to support long-term health. Anti-inflammatory spices and beverages play a significant role in supporting overall health. Turmeric, known for its vibrant yellow color, contains curcumin, a compound celebrated for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Ginger offers both flavor and relief, helping to reduce inflammation and soothe digestive discomfort. Garlic is valued not only for its culinary versatility, but also for its ability to support immune function and lower inflammation. Green tea, rich in antioxidants, helps combat oxidative stress and promotes cellular health. Even coffee, when consumed in moderation, provides beneficial compounds that may help reduce inflammation. Incorporating these ingredients into daily meals and drinks can contribute to a balanced and health-supportive lifestyle. Scientific research has increasingly highlighted the potential benefits of the anti-inflammatory diet for a range of health conditions. Studies suggest that this dietary approach may help reduce symptoms and improve quality of life for individuals with arthritis by decreasing joint inflammation. In the realm of heart disease, evidence points to improved cardiovascular markers and reduced risk factors, such as lower cholesterol and blood pressure. For those managing diabetes, an anti-inflammatory diet can support better blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity. Gut health also appears to benefit, with reports of reduced digestive discomfort and improved microbiome balance. Scientific research has increasingly highlighted the potential benefits of the anti-inflammatory diet for a range of health conditions. Studies suggest that this dietary approach may help reduce symptoms and improve quality of life for individuals with arthritis by decreasing joint inflammation. Recent clinical trials have shed light on the potential benefits of anti-inflammatory diets for colon cancer patients. Notably, the CALGB SWOG 8702 study demonstrated that individuals who adopted dietary patterns rich in anti-inflammatory foods experienced improved outcomes compared to those who did not. These diets typically emphasize fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, while limiting processed foods and red meats. Researchers observed better overall survival rates and reduced recurrence among participants following these guidelines. The findings suggest that dietary choices may play a supportive role alongside conventional treatments. As evidence continues to grow, healthcare professionals are increasingly considering nutrition as an important factor in cancer care. Adopting an anti-inflammatory diet can be a transformative step for overall health, but it's important to approach the process gradually. Start by incorporating more whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, into your daily meals. Swap out processed snacks for healthier alternatives like nuts or seeds. Consider reducing your intake of added sugars and refined carbohydrates, making small adjustments each week. Experiment with herbs and spices known for their anti-inflammatory properties, such as turmeric and ginger. By focusing on sustainable habits rather than drastic changes, you'll be more likely to maintain these improvements over time. Remember, consistency is key to experiencing the long-term benefits of an anti-inflammatory lifestyle. The 80-20 rule offers a practical approach to adopting an anti-inflammatory lifestyle. By focusing on making healthy choices 80% of the time, you allow yourself flexibility for the remaining 20%, reducing stress and making the transition more sustainable. Simple food swaps can also ease this process. For example, choosing whole grains over refined ones, or replacing sugary drinks with herbal teas can have a significant impact. These small changes accumulate over time, helping to lower inflammation without feeling restrictive. Embracing this balanced method encourages consistency and enjoyment, making it easier to maintain long-term healthy habits. The plate method is a simple and effective visual guide for creating balanced, anti-inflammatory meals. Instead of focusing on calorie counting, this approach emphasizes the proportions of different food groups on your plate. Typically, half of the plate is filled with colorful, non-starchy vegetables, which are rich in antioxidants and fiber. 1/4 is dedicated to lean proteins, such as fish, poultry, or plant-based options, supporting muscle health and reducing inflammation. The remaining 1/4 is reserved for whole grains or starchy vegetables, providing sustained energy and additional nutrients. By using the plate method, you can easily assemble meals that support overall wellness and help manage inflammation, all without the need for complex calculations. Making a lasting change often begins with a single, manageable step. Consider choosing one small adjustment to your daily diet, such as adding an extra serving of vegetables or swapping out sugary drinks for water. These minor choices can gradually build momentum toward healthier habits. By sharing your experiences and progress with others, you help foster a sense of community and mutual encouragement. Together, small actions can lead to meaningful transformations, inspiring motivation and support among peers. Remember, every journey starts with that first step, and you're not alone in taking it. In closing, it's important to remember that chronic inflammation does not have to control your life. By making informed decisions about the foods you eat and the habits you cultivate, you can significantly influence your well-being. Small, consistent changes in your daily routine can add up to meaningful improvements over time. Empower yourself with knowledge and take proactive steps towards a healthier future. Managing inflammation is within reach, and every positive choice brings you closer to lasting vitality. While diet plays a crucial role in maintaining good health, it's important to remember that nutrition is just one piece of the puzzle. Achieving optimal well-being also depends on regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and effective stress management. These elements work together to support the body and mind, creating a balanced lifestyle. Focusing on all aspects of health can help prevent chronic diseases and improve overall quality of life. By integrating healthy eating with exercise, restful sleep, and stress reduction, individuals can build a strong foundation for lasting wellness.